Emma. Hi.
Hi.
This is Katrina. This is
Hi,
Gary.
Emma. My name is Gary.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You gonna go out and have some fun with me today? Excellent, excellent.
Hi. How are you?
Well, what brings you up today, guys? You're giggling. It must be something happy.
We're with Tourism
We're with
Abbotsford.
Tourism Abbotsford and
Oh.
we're doing a video, so we're getting
Oh, excellent. Well,
dive into Abbotsford.
hey, it's good. I've been doing it a long time out here, and it's a lot of fun. I love it a lot. It's really good. So
Really
here,
excited.
very soon, we're gonna go up there into that bright blue sky.
Good.
We're gonna get out of a perfectly good airplane. We're gonna go about 120 miles an hour straight at the ground. They're gonna open up a parachute, and we're gonna gracefully glide down, and we're gonna land out there in that little bowl. And all I want you two to do is to just have lots of fun and smile
Okay.
and giggle.
Giggle. No, we can do that.
Excellent, excellent. Okay, so let's practice your smile. There you go. And you gotta wave to me. There you go. Excellent. All right, well, I'll see you upstairs, and we'll go have a lot of fun.
Okay.
Woohoo. Smile, man! Woohoo! Giggling, so that's good. I don't know.
Oh my god!
go.
Boy, you're a screamer, aren't you?
Out of a plane.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Congratulations, Emma. You did excellent up there. Thanks for coming skydiving with Skydive Abbotsford.
Woohoo!
Oh, this is
Alright.
Oh,
There you go.
So what'd you think of that?
that was unreal. Unreal. Oh, I can't even believe I just did it.
Excellent,
I
excellent.
can't even catch my breath because I'm screaming so much.
Yes, you are a screamer. You are a screamer, and here comes your friend. Woo-hoo!
Well done.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah, lady. Congratulations.
Thank you. That was so awesome.
Yeehaw.
Oh my god.
Woo-hoo! Good job, girls. Good job.
Yeah.
Hey,
Oh my god.
thanks for coming out and skydiving with Skydive Abbotsford with us today. I'm glad you girls had a lot of fun.
We did.
And you all smiles. That's awesome. Thanks a lot. Woohoo!